Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change the active zones for your voice assistant on the XPeng Car. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to go over into the vehicle settings. So in the settings, we're going to open up the voice assistant, and in the voice assistant, we have the active zones. So this is the zones where XPeng should listen for voice commands. If you and your kids, let's say, have a lot of fun, but you get annoyed because it's not stopping talking to you, the XPeng, then what you guys can do is go over and disable the front passenger, rear right, and rear left. So now whenever I say, hey XPeng,
I'm listening.
it is basically here, and it's dictating everything that I say, so it's really good. But you cannot disable the driver, you can only disable the front passenger, rear left, and rear right. So
Could you please say it in another way?
so that's how you guys can do
I'm
it.
not sure I
Now
understood
let me just
correctly.
quickly disable it because it's a bit laggy right now. It's still in beta, I'm pretty sure, because it's really bad at its commands, and that's how you guys can do it. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.